Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the best multimeters of 2024. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, we've got you covered with top picks for accuracy, durability, and value. Stick around to find the perfect multimeter for your needs. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Crenova MS8233D. We highly recommend the Crenova multimeter for those starting electrical projects, DIY enthusiasts, and homeowners who can handle small tasks without a contractor. This versatile and affordable multimeter offers features like measuring resistance, AC/DC voltage, current, frequency, capacitance, and live wires without probes. It also includes a continuity check, diode test, and functions like backlight, hold, and max. The package comes with point probes, alligator clip test leads, and a protective storage case. While it lacks advanced features like a temperature probe or transistor tester, which are better suited for expert hobbyists, it remains an excellent choice for beginners. Compared to the pricier Klein Tools MM400, the Crenova multimeter delivers great value and ease of use, making it our top recommendation. Number 2. AstroAI 6000. This is a top pick for electronic hobbyists, offering a robust set of AC and DC measurement capabilities in an affordable package. It excels in DIY electronics, household wiring repair, and 12x24 VDC systems on cars and boats. With functions for measuring transistors, diodes, resistors, capacitors, and temperatures via a thermocouple, it's ideal for tasks like prototyping or identifying components in your parts bin. However, it has a few drawbacks. The magnetic hanger is weak and collects metal debris, while the kickstand is tricky to unfold. The large size is better suited for benchtop work, and the tolerance is high, but not crucial for most users. For beginners, the Neotech Multimeter Pro is a simpler option. Despite minor gripes, the AstroAI 6000 remains an excellent choice for hobbyists. Number 3. AstroAI AM33D. If you're looking for an affordable occasional use multimeter, the AstroAI multimeter is a solid option. It can troubleshoot AC and DC circuits, offering essential features like an audible continuity check, a backlight, and a data hold function. It also includes a square wave generator, although most users may not need this. The major drawback is that it isn't auto-ranging, which can make it more challenging for beginners and even some advanced users. The backlight could be brighter, and the stand doesn't offer the best viewing angle. Despite these shortcomings, it provides good value for its price, making it ideal for casual users. For larger AC currents, the Atexity multimeter is a better choice, but it doesn't handle DC currents. Number 4. Fluke 117 Electricians True RMS. This is a professional-grade multimeter designed for technical work, particularly for electricians handling AC measurements. It features an integrated non-contact AC probe, a clear interface, and a true RMS capability for accurate readings. The low-impedance input can automatically detect the voltage type and select the right range. Additionally, a current probe can be purchased separately for measuring over 10 amps. While it's packed with advanced functions, the Fluke 117 is best suited for home or commercial wiring projects rather than hobbyists working on DC circuits. It's more expensive than other models and lacks features like dedicated NPN or PNP transistor testing. If you're seeking a more affordable basic option, consider the Atexity multimeter. Despite its cost, the Fluke 117 is an excellent choice for professionals. So, which is the best? After testing, the Fluke 117 Electricians True RMS takes the top spot for its precision and reliability, especially for professionals. Let us know which one you prefer.